Today we'll focus on how can solve this type of problem. Okay, so simply look here very carefully. First of all, see denominator. Denominator is how much? Under root 13 plus under root 11, and in this part under root 13 minus under root 11. So simply you can take LCM. Okay, so if you take LCM, then that one written root 13 minus root 11. Okay, and that one written root 13 plus root 11 into root 13 plus root 11. Okay, to whole divided by how much? Root 13 to the whole square minus root 11 to the whole square. Okay, after that one root 13 minus root 11 to the whole square plus root 13 plus root 11 to the whole square. Here root 13 minus root 11 to the whole square plus root 13 plus root 11 to the whole square divided by how much? This one written 13 minus 11. So simply, what about that value? This one written 13 plus 11 minus 2 times 13 into 11. Okay, and that one written simply 13 plus 11 plus 2 root 13 into 11 under root. Okay, divided by how much? 13 minus 11, that is how much? 2. Okay, after that look here very carefully. That one, that one, that one and that one. 13 plus 11, that is how much? 24. Okay, this one 24 and that one also 24. 24, that is 48. Divide by 2. So that is how much? 24 answer. Okay, and these two values are cancelled out because both are same. Okay, make it. X plus 1 by x is how much? Okay, our motto, determine what about that value? X plus 1 upon x. Okay, so simply look here very carefully. X is 2 plus 2 root 2, then our motto, determine x plus 1 by x. So what about 1 by x? 1 by x means basically 1 upon 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay, 2 is also written as root 4 and 2 root 2, that one written under root of 2 square into 2, so that is how much? Root 8. So basically root 8. Okay, now if written here simplified version. Okay, I hope so clear. Now after that, very simple, you can use which formula? I have already discussed. Root a plus root b is given, then root a minus root b divided by a minus b. Basically rationalized by root a minus root b. Then we got like that one. Okay, so what about a? A is 8 and b is how much? 4. So if that formula apply here, okay, then this one written root 8 plus root 4 is how much? Root 8 minus root 4 divided by how much? 8 minus 4. 8 is written as 2 root 2. 4 is written as simply 2. Divided by how much? 8 minus 4. That is how much? 4. Okay. After that, if 2 is common, then we got written root 2 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now, that value put here and that value put here. So, x plus 1 by x is how much? X is 2 plus 2 root 2 and 1 by x is how much? Root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. After that, what about that value? Simply take LCM. Okay, then we got how much? 4 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So 5 root 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is the right answer. Okay, make it. Now question of the day. Our now next question is x this equal to, if x this equal to 2 minus root 3, then our motto x minus 1 by x to the whole cube is how much? So first of all, determine 1 by x. Okay, we have focus on 1 by x. So 1 by x basically 2 minus root 3, sorry 1 upon 2 minus root 3, and that one written root 4 minus root 3. Why? Because of here using formula root a minus b, 1 upon root a minus root b is written as root a plus root b divided by a minus b. Okay, so that formula used here. Okay, so written root 4 minus root 3. If you apply that formula, then written root 4 plus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3. So basically root 4 plus root 3. Okay, and that one 2 root 3. 2 plus root 3. Okay, now so these two values x and 1 by x put here, x minus 1 by x to whole cube. So basically x is 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3, and what about minus 1 by x, 1 by, that is 1 by x is like that one. So minus 1 by x is how much? 2 plus root 3 to whole cube. After that 2 minus root 3, here minus 2 minus root 3 to whole cube. Are you so clear? 2 cancel out. Then we got minus 2 root 3 to the whole cube. So minus 2 to whole cube into root 3 to the whole cube. So that one written minus 8 into 3 root 3. So minus 24 root 3 is the final answer. Make it. आ जाओ.